Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to label an image in Photoshop step by step. Apply step 1. First of all open your image, then press C or directly select crop tool, right click on your mouse, find straighten, see this straighten tool, click, then draw a straight line. Okay. And step 2, manually press Ctrl T on your keyboard. Double click the lock icon, press Ctrl T, rotate anywhere. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.